Hello everybody, how are you? This is Karthik Poovan, I'm a leadership coach, author and a travel explorer. What a beautiful and absolutely amazing drive in this forest as it rains. Especially the joy is so vibrant when you are more exposed to nature. It's a completely different smell of the woods. So pleasant. I always feel refreshed, recharged, and then I engage with nature. It's a fabulous experience. The woods, these tall trees, they stand as a living testament of incredible possibilities of life. Gigantic. You might have witnessed so much of happening in the nature. Lovely. Jai Balaji. It's only the blessings of Lord Balaji where one gets to really experience nature. Only in grace. Otherwise these forests are filled with wild animals, leopards, boars, sometimes a little deep inside, maybe even elephants. Lovely. I was sitting here and just gazing the forest. Very vibrant. Gift yourself pleasant memories in the lap of love and grace. Nothing more matters. Have a gracious time, everybody. Stay blessed, stay energized. This is Karthik Poovanam, and I will see you in another amazing video. Good day.